It is a circle. Circle has a radius. Circle.
It is a square. Square has 3 sides. Square. It is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides. It is a star. Star has 10 straight sides. It is a heart shape. It is a hexagon. Hexagon has